Good day to all of you. Welcome to Easy Physics. Learn physics as easy as 1 to 3. Through this video, I'm not going to discuss any pure physics topic, but obviously a tool which is very much essential for problem solving in physics. It's nothing but maths. At least some of you will be having a head explosive feeling when it comes to maths and mathematical calculations, right? But by knowing certain tricks, maths is not going to be a head explosive feeling anymore because everybody likes to play tricks, right? So if maths is going to have some tricks, then calculations are going to be exciting and interesting, right? Without wasting much time, I will tell you what are the tricks we are going to play in order to ease our multiplication of two-digit numbers. If I give you two numbers to multiply, say for example 46 and 44, how many of you will be able to solve this as quickly as in 5 seconds or less than 5 seconds? At least some of you will be finding it difficult, right? Or time consuming at least. But I'll reveal the answer. It is 2024. If I reveal the trick behind this, many of you will be able to solve this quicker than me. The trick is nothing but, let's look at the digits coming in the tens place. It is 4. The succeeding number of 4 is 5, right? Multiply 4 and 5, you will be getting the answer as 20. Then multiply the numbers coming in the ones place. 6 times 4 is 24. It is as simple as this. Now, if I give you another number to multiply 87 into 83, most of you might be able to find the answer quickly, right? If not, listen here, we'll do it together. 8 times 9 is 72 and 7 times 3 is 21. So your answer is 7,221. If I'm going to give you two more numbers to multiply, by now, all of you will be able to find the answer very quickly, maybe in 2 seconds or less, right? 62 into 68 means 6 times 7 is 42, 2 times 8 is 16, right? 51 into 59, 5 times 6 is 30, and 1 times 9 is 9. But make sure that your answer is a 4-digit number. So while writing 9, make sure that you're writing it as 09. Hope it is interesting and you all might be enjoy doing it, right? Now, this trick cannot be applied everywhere with all the two-digit numbers. There are some specialities about these numbers when you look closer, when you observe closer. Some of you might have already understood what are the specialities of these numbers. If not, let's look at the digits coming in the tens place. In all the pairs of number, I have chosen the digits in the tens place as same. So this technique can be applied for numbers which are having the tens place digit as same. And then let's look at the numbers coming in the ones place. Is there anything special about these numbers? Yes, 6 plus 4 is 10, 7 plus 3 is 10, 2 plus 8 is 10, and 1 plus 9 is also 10, which means this technique can be applied to numbers only if they obey these two conditions. One is the digits in the tens place has to be same, and the second one is the sum of the digits in the ones place should be 10. But don't worry, these kind of numbers are very common when we do our calculations. So next time, whenever you see multiplication of two-digit numbers, quickly cross-check whether they follow these rules or not. If they follow these rules, you will be able to find the answer in 2 seconds, right? And it is having some special application. Special application is to find out the square of two-digit numbers ending with 5. Numbers ending with 5 means obviously its sum is going to be 10, right? So I hope you all will be able to find out the square of these numbers in 1 second, right? 45 times 45 is going to be 2025. 85 into 85 is 70 to 25. 65 into 65 is 40 to 25. 55 into 55 is 30 25. Interesting, right? So I hope all of you enjoyed learning this trick, and you all are going to apply this trick whenever you get a chance while doing big calculations, isn't it? Now, I'm going to teach you one more technique. It is multiplication of numbers near 100. 95 and 96. These are numbers coming near 100, isn't it? Here you can find out the answer. If I reveal the answer very quickly, 9,120. At least some of you might be eager to know how can we find this as quick as this, right? I will teach you. Just find out 95 and 96. These numbers are how much less than 100. 95 is 5 less than 100 and 96 is 4 less than 100. If you subtract 95 minus 94, it's going to be 91. Or you can subtract these two numbers. Again, you will be getting the same answer. Okay. So while doing the subtraction, you can do any. No need to do both. Whichever you find easier, whether it is 95 minus 4 or 96 minus 5. And write that as the answer. That is the first two digits of your answer. Subtract and write. Then multiply the difference, 4 and 5. 4 into 5 is 20. Your answer is ready, right? Now, if I give you another set of numbers to multiply, at least some of you will be quicker now, right? If not, I will show you one more time so that when I give you next numbers, everybody will be able to solve it quickly. 92 is 8 less than 100. 97 is 3 less than 100. Subtract any. 92 minus 3 is 89. Then multiply 3 and 8. It's 24. Your answer is ready. 8,924. Next practice question. 93, 94. Just write minus 6 here because 94 is 6 less than 100. Here you write minus 7. Then subtract 93 minus 6 or 94 minus 7, whichever is easier for you. Both are going to be 87, and then 6 times 7 is 42. Your answer is ready. 98 multiplied by 99. Right here, it's 1 less than 100. This one is 2 less than 100, right? Then subtract 98 minus 1, it's 97, or 99 minus 2, both are 97, right? And then multiply the difference. 1 into 2 is 2, but make sure that you write it as 02. Your answer is 9702. Interesting, right? And this same technique can be applied for numbers like this, 100 plus. These are also numbers near 100, isn't it? Here also you can apply the same technique, but instead of subtraction, it is going to be addition, because 105 and 106 is some numbers greater than 5, right? Sorry, greater than 100, isn't it? Now let's see, 105 is 5 more than 100. 106 is 6 more than 100. Then in the previous case, you have subtracted, but here you have to add. If you add this number or this set of number, both are going to be same, 111, 111. So you don't have to add both, you add any. Then write 111. Then multiply the difference, 6 into 5 is 30. Your answer is ready. Clear to all? If not, I will show you one more example. 108 into 104. 108 is 8 more than 100. 104 is 4 more than 100. Then add these. When you add these two numbers, you'll be getting 112 in both the cases. Write the answer as 112. Then multiply 4 into 8. 4 into 8 is 32. Your answer is 11232. Clear? More practice questions. Hope everybody will be able to solve as quickly as possible. Here it is 4, here it is 3. Write 103 plus 4 is 107. 4 into 3 is 12. Your answer is ready. 107 and 109. Just write here 9. It is 7 greater. 107 plus 9 is 116. 9 into 7 is 63. Interesting, right? And now, if you're having numbers like this, one number is greater than 100 and one number is less than 100. Here also, you can use this technique. Just write whether it is how much numbers greater than 100 or how much numbers less than 100. 105 is 5 more than 100. 96 is 4 less than 100. So if you do here, it has to be subtraction, or here means plus, because this is a positive number, right? So when you do 105 minus 4, you will be getting 101. Or if you do 96 plus 5, there also you'll be getting 101. So you don't have to do both the calculations, you do any and write. That is subtract or add. With that number 101, add two zeros. Okay, there is a slight difference in this technique. Okay, that is, you add or subtract, you will be getting 101. Then add two zeros to it. Multiply the two numbers. 4 into 5 is minus 20, because one number is negative and another number is positive. So you'll be getting 20. And then subtract these two numbers. Okay, 100 minus 20 is 80, isn't it? So your answer is 10080. Hope all of you understood. If not, majority of you might have understood now. If I'm going to give you another multiplication, you all will be able to do it. If not, I will show you how to do it. Let's write 98 is 2 less than 100. 104 is 4 more than 100. Then you add or subtract whichever is easier for you. 98 plus 4 is 102, or 104 minus 2 is also going to be 102. Write 102 with two zeros, right? Then 4 into minus 2 is minus 8, isn't it? 200 minus 8 is 192. So your answer is 10192. More questions for practice. Everybody will be able to do it by now with me, right? 94, it's 6 less. 103 is 3 more. So if I do this, this seems to be easier for me. 97, the answer is 97 with two zeros minus 6 threes are 18. When you subtract this, you will be getting here as 100 minus 18 is 82, right? 2 here, 8 here, 6, 9. So your answer is going to be 9682. 97 into 109. You write here, this is plus 9. And if I write here, this is minus 3. Here I'm going to do this, take this, because that seems to be easier for me. 109 minus 3 is 106 with two zeros. Then 9 into minus 3 is minus 27. Sorry, minus 27. Subtract this, you will be getting here as 3. 9 minus 2 is 7. 501. So your answer is 10573. Quick, right? So today's techniques are very interesting to all of you, I think, and you all might have enjoyed doing it. Please do more practice and get excited. Enjoy the feeling of calculation with numbers. Math should not be any more a head explosive feeling, right? Enjoy doing maths like you enjoy solving puzzles. Hope this trick is very helpful to all of you and you all enjoy doing it. If so, please subscribe my channel so that you will be receiving more exciting mathematical tricks along with easier physics topics. Thank you for watching. Have a great day to all of you.